So I already seasoned up the chicken now, guys. So I'm just gonna leave this for about 15 minutes to marinate in the seasoning, and then I'll start to brown stew it, guys. And then you know the peas already soon precious, so food soon ready. Yeah, man. So stay with me. I'll watch what I go on, guys. Yes guys, so I'm browning the chicken now. Brown them on both sides. I'll show you guys. So this is the marinade with the herbs and stuff. So after I brown it on both sides, then I'll add this with some hot water guys and let it go and cook. Yeah man, so all of that and more. Just stay tuned for that guys. Yeah man. Then I'll guys, I'm turning them over. I'm trying to turn them already. So guys, I'm gonna check in for the meat. So what's going on guys? Yeah man, it's a bubble. It's a boil up man, yeah man. It's a go on. Peas soon ready. I'm just gonna add the rice guys. So I'm just gonna cover this back and let it finish cook. Alright? I know I'm not hungry, you know. When I say me I take long, but no, me not take long man. Me I try my best. Alright? Food soon ready. Yeah man. So guys, dinner is ready now. Yes guys, so here is your brown stew chicken and your rice and peas. So guys, I'm just gonna dish some of this out and show you how it looks guys. I'm gonna put a little lettuce and tomato on the side. Yeah man, come you have to go on the side order I know. No man, we can't go no dry food so no man. Alright, stay tuned for that. Yes, guys, so here you have it, my brown stew chicken with rice and peas and lettuce and tomatoes, guys. Hope you enjoy my style of cooking. I got taste the food, I couldn't say. Hey, guys, when I use fork, eat rice. Spoon me use, I got taste it. Yeah, man, so that's it right there. Yes, guys. So, of course, may I eat my food. I wish I found the day if I get some, but not lie you. So, as I said, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. So, all I have to say right now, and I catch you in another video. Bye. I have a cup of cat. One of them thief. I can't say that word. That's a strong word.